Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we will learn how to create the school portrait effect in Photoshop. Press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate your layer. Right click and convert it into Smart Object. Now go to the filter, blur and motion blur. Here change the angle to -40 and distance to around 500. Hit OK. Now click on the Smart Filter thumbnail. Select the soft round brush and with black as foreground color selected, paint on the areas where you don't want the effect. Now go to the adjustment layer icon and choose gradient map. Click on the colors and change them according to you. Press Ctrl or Command along with Shift plus N to create a new layer. Here, change the blending mode to overlay and fill it with 50% grey. Hit OK. Now go to Noise and add noise. Change the amount to around 20 and hit OK. That's how you can create the school effect in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.